What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that fundamentally right now NIO is a very strong company and we have to take a closer look on its fundamentals because in a long-term perspective this asset might be very lucrative. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, right after we hit the golden pocket range, and let me switch to hourly time frame. I've told you that if you want to enter the position, you can start to accumulate basically from this very point, and your stop loss might be, let me show you more thoroughly. First, major stop loss should be slightly below this previous bottom, and it is about 13.89% of downside potential, with an upside potential right here at the range of about $16.99, and it is 61.56% of potential profit. And let me show you that right here we had movement to the downside. We hit exactly the next range of support at 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level at $9.77. And technically, for those of you who set a conservative stop loss order at about 6%, definitely your stop loss order was hit, and technically you had losses about 6%, but the major stop loss should be right here at around 13.99% of potential losses at the price point of slightly above $9 mark. And because of this we are still in green, and if you were laddering your buys down, definitely it increases your upside potential and decreases your downside potential, as you can see right here. And because of this, we might see the next leg to the upside, especially if we will take a look on its fundamentals. And let me show you this news. So we are on cnevpost.com, and this article was published just a couple of days ago, and it says China NEV insurance registrations in third week of November. And let me show you that NIO has about 3.325 thousand vehicles registered in China, and previously it has 3.14124 units and 2.852 units. Combined, it is 9,301 vehicle. And this number is not so far from its previous number of deliveries. Previously, in October, they delivered 10,059 vehicles. And it is not so far from its all-time high in deliveries, in monthly deliveries of 12.961 thousand vehicles. Definitely 3,660 vehicles to this range is very achievable by the end of this month, and because of this, most likely NIO will set its new record in terms of deliveries. And let me show you that because of this news, Deutsche Bank, and let me quote you this article first of all, NIO operational issues hinder sales, but the worst may finally be over, says Deutsche Bank. Edison use team predicts NIO will deliver 13.5 thousand units in November and 19.5 thousand units in December. And here you can see the chart, and right here from July 2021 till basically mid-summer 2022 we had these choppy movements because of the COVID-19 impact. But right now we have quite flat numbers, and because of this probably this asset is ready to hit its all-time high, and definitely in my opinion by the end of this year it will break this all-time high record. And let me show you some details. In the view of Deutsche Bank analyst Edison use team, the worst may finally be over, with NIO's product supercycle set to push into 2023. NIO continues to frustrate us investors with another round of operational issues which are holding back volume in Q4, but we are optimistic that the worst may finally be over, further supported by the government's gradual pivot away from COVID-0. Use team said in a research note sent to investors today. And December deliveries may approach up to 20,000 units, and because of this I have to say that NIO has a very strong lineup, and it is ready to launch 5 new models in first half of next year. And these models will be on their new platform, and definitely this increase not only their sales but also it increase its margin. And this might be very beneficial for NIO, and definitely it might be very beneficial for NIO shareholders. And definitely I will put the link on these articles in the description below. You can read it by yourself and make your own conclusion about this company. And I have to say that the overall price target for NIO made by Deutsche Bank increased from $20 to $21. And it is the first increase in price target from analysts. And I have to say Deutsche Bank is one of the major analysts of this type of assets. And it might be the first sign that NIO probably already hit its bottom, and from this range it might go higher. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Definitely we are still quite bullish. We didn't break major pivot points for NIO, and on a bigger picture we also have very good consolidation phase from the end of October till basically present day. We consistently have higher lows and higher highs, and we have to break the next range of resistance, the closest range of resistance at roughly $12.2 in order to confirm the uptrend. And I think by the end of December we will break all these ranges, and at the end of December or at the beginning of Q1 2023 definitely it will hit the $16.99 price target. That is my main price target right now in a medium-term perspective. And this setup implies about from 62 all the way to maybe 70 and even higher percentage of profits, depending on the entry price. And if you want to enter your position, you can accumulate your position all the way down depending on your risk tolerance, and your stop loss should be still right here at roughly slightly above $9 mark. And definitely it implies very good risk to reward ratio, at least 4-1, and depending on your entry price it might be up to 10-1, with a very low downside potential of about 7.5%. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.